Guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm going to cook our dinner because my brother is not here, so me and my daughter will eat. Mommy don't like to eat, so we have there the corned beef and the just make gisa-gisa only, guys. Yeah, we put some onions. Put some onions. Very fast only, guys. Very fast. Shout out everybody. I'm going to cook. First time I'm cooking here. It's for me and my daughter only. So very easy on me. If she don't like it, it's okay. Because she want me to boil the egg. I don't like the boil. So good luck to her if she don't like to eat. Good luck to my daughter if she don't like to eat. I'll just make. Very simple cooking only, guys, for instant. Actually, I love to eat the dry, the tuyo, guys. She said, Mama, don't have tuyo here. The dried fish, I like dried fish. She said, no, you must go in the market. So maybe tomorrow I will. But tomorrow, I'm going outside. So, siya lang yung mag-isa dito at saka si Mamita. Iising na lang tayo ng aga. I will wake up early. And I prepare the things. And then, I'm gonna go out. Cooking is very simple. It's only the corned beef. I just put some. Remember in the accommodation, guys, you know, I am the one who cook. But one day, we go in the agency, and then in the agency, guys, there is a kitchen, but it's not really a kitchen because it's only cook rice, and we eat some canned food, so we are very hungry already. I think 5 housemates, 5 OFW there, and then they were waiting our updates, and then the staff there said, you go in the kitchen and eat, because we're just eating the biscuits. And then I saw the kitchen, no salt, only sardines and only rice, so no choice. I just cook the you know, the sardines with the oil. No ingredients, no onions, no nothing at all, guys. Just sardines and the oil only, and the rice. But luckily my co-FW, of course we were very hungry that time, so we finished the 2 cans of sardines, soaked only in the oil. We just make hot in the oil and eat some rice. It's our food. So here is God. So lucky here because there is ingredients. I just recall in the agency, guys. They are very, very clever. As long the workers can eat, they don't bother if. Yeah, that's why. That's how the life of abroad. Here, Wantusawa, you can eat what you want. If you don't have money, you can budget yourself. 1 egg only, guys. I put 1 egg only. I put 1 egg only, guys. Yeah. Look. Just only the. My daughter said don't like. I don't know if she like. Put some salt. Sana sinak. My daughter never cares. She want to eat meat. She like some other food. Walang toyo. Walang toyo dito, nak? Pahinga, nak. Mali, nak. Ito. Dapo. Ah, okay na to, patis. Ha? I know, ayoko ng oyster. Sarap na yan. Doon nga, kumakain kami, sardinas lang. Pinainit lang sa mantika. Okay na guys, cook ready. So we eat now. Eat na tayo na. Sando ka na. Wala ka. Ayaw niya kumain guys. Thank you very much. That's my cooking. Yummy. Bye. Please subscribe and like this recipe. Very easy, very instant. And please comment below and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.